Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can be undisturbed at this time. Have your journal nearby. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Once more, another deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allowing yourself to settle into this moment. Release any tension in your body. Allow this meditation to guide you into a state of deep reflection, where journaling becomes a sacred bridge between your mind, body, and spirit. Once more now, I invite you to take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, allowing your eyes to gently close. Now I invite you to bring your awareness to your physical body. Feel the weight of your hands resting gently on your lap. Notice the steady rhythm of your breath. Inhale and exhale. The subtle sensations of the air moving in and out. Inhale and exhale. With each inhale, invite a sense of grounding. With each exhale, release any tension in the physical body. If thoughts arise at this time, simply acknowledge them. Allow them to drift by like clouds in the sky, and bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale and exhale. Now visualize yourself holding a pen. Feel the weight of the pen, its texture, and imagine the smooth motion of ink flowing onto the paper. The simple act of writing connects you to the present, anchoring you in this moment. Let your body relax into the movement, knowing that this process is natural, effortless, and freeing. Now I'd like you to shift your focus inward into the landscape of your mind. Thoughts may be swirling, emotions may be present. Observe them without judgment. Imagine your thoughts settling like leaves floating on a gentle stream. As each thought appears, acknowledge it and let them drift. This is your space to express, to release, and to create clarity. Feel the power of your journal as a sacred container, a safe place where your inner world can unfold. With every stroke of the pen, you organize, understand, and give form to what lives within you. Now I invite you to bring your awareness into your heart, to the quiet whispers of your soul. Breathe deeply into this space of knowing, and imagine your journal as a bridge. Now turn your awareness to your heart, to the quiet whispers of your soul. Breathe deeply into the space of knowing. Imagine your journal as a bridge connecting the seen to the unseen, the conscious to the subconscious, and the self to the universe. As you write, you will not just express, you will listen. Listen to your truth, your wisdom, and your purpose. Feel a sense of alignment as though each word you write brings you closer to your authentic self. Your journaling practice is a sacred ritual of movement, a communion between you and the deepest parts of your being. And now, gently begin bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Feel your body resting, your mind clear, and your spirit open. And when you are ready, open your eyes, pick up your journal, and let your thoughts flow onto the page. There is no right or wrong, just the unfolding of your truth. Take a moment of gratitude for this space, for this practice, and for yourself. You are connected. You are heard. You are whole.